Which one is greater, 5 power 22 or 3 power 33? Let's find out. We can write 5 power 22 as 5 power 2 multiplied by 11. And we can write 3 power 33 as 3 power 3 times 11. We have identity that a power m times n is equal to a power m whole power n. Applying this identity here, it will become 5 power 2 whole power 11, and this will become 3 power 3 whole power 11. Now 5 power 2 is equal to 25 whole power 11, and 3 power 3 is equal to 9 whole power 11. Both have same power, that's 11, and 25 is greater than 9, therefore 25 power 11 is greater than 9 power 11. So that's for you. Which one is greater between 2 power 66 and 9 power 22? Find out and write your answer in the comment box.